Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Laudiaann, and today I'm going to talk about awareness, being aware of your surrounding and how to get in tune to yourself. Let's start by being aware of yourself, people in general like you and everyone else. First of all, let's begin by taking a moment to allow your body to settle in a comfortable position. And every morning you should do this. All right, just take a break. Get up. When you first get up, it's best to meditate right away. So meditate, calm yourself down, get in a comfortable position, and sit. Sit for a couple seconds. Close your eyes. Take a moment to allow your body to settle. And just do this every morning. For a couple seconds, and you may close your eyes or you may keep them slightly open for another couple seconds. Allow the spine, your shoulders, loosen it, soften it up for 5 minutes, or maybe you want to do it just for a couple seconds. Okay, it's just depending on how you feel. If you want a long, restful time with yourself, it's good to relax your spine and your shoulder in a relaxing situation. Position yourself in that situation by calming yourself down. Now, if you've been going through some type of anxiety, or if you're going through a trauma in your life, and you feel so tensed up, this is the best time just to relax for more than maybe a couple minutes or more. But if it's just a regular day and you're having a great day and you're just, just a normal day for you, you don't have no tension, then just do it for maybe a couple seconds, probably 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, today we will practice acknowledging the similarities between ourselves and others. So, awareness of people just like you, we have to learn to practice to acknowledge what our surroundings are between ourselves and others. And just think about that for a couple of seconds. Now focus for a couple of seconds of the differences between you and others, but realizing that even a person who seems very different from us is in a fundamental way just like us, can become the basics of real connections. So take a couple of seconds, take a breather there. Connect to others. See yourself different than others. And this can include people we don't know very well. People with whom you're in conflict, or even people that we see as enemies. Do this for a couple of seconds. It's possible to develop a sense of compassion and understanding by coming to feel our shared sense of experience as human beings. So take a couple of seconds, ponder on that. And this practice is called Just Like Me. This can help overcome that sense of difference and distrust by opening channels of compassion. So we need to learn how to be compassionate with everyone. So, even including your enemy, even including the people that you dislike. Allow yourself to take a breather here. Do deep cleansing breath. Inhale and exhale. And do this for maybe a couple of seconds. And when you inhale, breathe in and then take a long breath out. This will actually help you calm yourself down, especially if you had an enemy that you don't like, or you distress somebody, or somebody made you angry. Take a breather and do this for a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on your mood and what you're feeling right now. So as you breathe out, allowing a sense of releasing any tension that you may be holding in your body. So this is a time to be aware of yourself, to help yourself calm down and refocus. Now briefly scan through your body, noticing the sensation of emotions. Take a few seconds. Inviting a sense of spaciousness and acceptance for whatever you are experiencing right now. Do this for 10 seconds. Now bring someone to mind that you don't know very well, or who might seem different or distant from you. Take a few seconds. Or even someone that you are in a minor conflict with. Take a few seconds. Relax. And as if you bring this person to mind, notice if you're experiencing any shift and sensation in your body. Think about that for 15 seconds. Holding this person in mind as if they were in front of you, say to yourself, this person has a body and a mind just like me. Think about that person for a moment for 10 seconds. This person has feelings, emotions, and thoughts just like me. Think about that for another 10 seconds. This person has at some point in his or her life has been sad, disappointed, angry, hurt, or confused, just like me. Think for a moment for a few seconds. This person has in his or her life has experienced physical and emotional pain and suffering, just like me. Now really think about this for another 10 seconds. This person has experienced moments of peace, joy, and happiness just like me. So think about that goodness of that person for a few seconds. This person wishes to have fulfilling relationships just like me. Think about that for 10 seconds. This person wishes to be healthy and loved just like me. Think about that person for a few seconds. Now take a moment to sense how you're feeling right now at this very moment about that person. As you hold this person in your awareness, what do you experience? Now I really want you to take 20 seconds to yourself. Think about your awareness of that person right now at this very moment. May they be well. May they be happy. As we move in to a close returning of our awareness, let's take some deep cleansing breath. Breathe in and take a deep breath in and breathe out with a long breath out. Now, how do you feel present? How do you feel alive? Are you connected to that person? Do you have goodwill towards that person right now? Think about that for a few seconds. Today, I want you all to think about someone whom you'll meet today, or think of the next person you expect to see today. Or if you're facing a conflict with someone, I want you to practice this awareness, the awareness of people just like you around you are the same as you. This person wants to be loved just like you. This person wants to do a good job just like you. So I hope this guided meditation that I'm actually putting it in a video will take you step by step and will help you with your daily journey of living well. So, thanks for listening to my video. I am Laudiaann Silvis, and I go by Coach Laudiaann. And if you love this video and you want to hear more meditated, guided guides from me, I will actually help you. I do practice some awareness and meditation with mindfulness, and I'm probably gonna do it more often on my channel, Mindset for Success. This channel is all about living healthy, living at your best, and making the most out of life, in being a great Samaritan for others, doing others good, helping you emotionally, spiritually, just being an achiever for one thing. So if you really love my channel, you want to hear more guided meditations from me, I will actually make free videos about how to take you step by step. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I am Laudiaann Silvis. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next meditation that I will be giving away for free. All right. Thank you for listening.